Pong. Ito yung lalaki, ito yung babae.
Pong.
Ano nga to? Lalaki, babae. Para siyang pilay, John. Para siyang, ano, parang pilay yung kanyang kaliwa. Oh, it's coming to me. It's coming to me. You want to touch the turtle?
No.
Look at the eye. Hello, Pong. Hello, Pong Pong. Hello, Pong. Hello.
Something you get.
Mara, hindi naman yan ano eh. It's not, no, it's friendly. It's a friendly turtle, Mara. Don't worry. It's a friendly turtle. Ayaw niyang kumain eh.
But is it edible? I don't know.
Eh, malalaki siguro. Kailangan maliliit ang ano, ang hiwa. Hindi kayang anuhin kaakanin. O, tingnan mo, inisnab niya. O, saan ka na naman pupunta? Turtle!
Turtle. That's a
Oh, call the turtle.
He's eating the grass. See,
Call the turtle.
Go to church.
Sige, tawagin mo. Pong ka mo.
Pong kaba.
O, pong ka mo.
Yum.
You say pong. You say pong.
Sisi, Pong.
Pong.
Pong. Ayun yung kaibigan. Kilala
Pong,
kong
Sige na, tabi ka dun. Tatakot ka, Pirmi.
Matakot.
O, ba't ka takot?
Sino natatakot?
Ikaw, natatakot ka.